Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to Spice It Up with Hool. Every Sunday we tend to have brunch, isn't it? So this is gonna be your next quick and easy brunch recipe. So without further ado, let's spice it up with Hool. Take a bowl, add 2 glasses of rice and a glass of red lentils, which is also called as masoor ki dal. Give it a nice mix, wash it and keep it aside. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil in the pressure cooker. Let the oil heat and then add 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamom, 4 cloves, and half a teaspoon of caraway seeds, which is shazira. Saute it well. Then add 1 sliced onion. Saute the onion with the spices. Add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Then add the 4th teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and add 4 glasses of water. Stir it and add few mint and coriander leaves with 5 green chilies and give it a mix. Close the lid and let the water boil. Let the water boil and then add the soaked rice and lentils to the water. Mix it once and then close the lid of the pressure cooker. Wait until 2 whistles and then your khichidi is ready. Look at the rice, it's so well cooked and so fine, and trust me, it's very tasty too. And then to pair it up with khichdi, you can make red chili scrambled eggs. For that, add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and a teaspoon of red chili powder. Then add a teaspoon of salt and then mix it well and add the eggs to the chili oil that we just made. Fry it well until the eggs are cooked. And the red chili scrambled egg is ready. Then plate your khichdi and scrambled eggs and you're good to go. Enjoy, and if you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.